Nowadays, many software products help people become more efficient everywhere, from personal life to business. And ERP is undoubtedly the best tool for business. But first, let's see how this technology works. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Every business operates through a variety of processes, such as sales, procurement, production, and more. An ERP system integrates all of these processes by collecting data from each module in a single system, enabling seamless management and driving efficiency across the entire business. The CRM module helps businesses to manage their customers, leads, and optimize sales processes. Here, ERP allows companies to understand their customer base, run promotions, and adjust marketing based on the purchase history data. Financial modules are the heart of any ERP solution. ERP provides fast access to real-time financial data, P&L, cash out, costs of goods, etc. Thus it helps to stay ROI positive and find growth opportunities. The sales module in ERP systems allows you to gather all sales information in one place, create a pricing strategy and manage discounts, analyze sales results, and automatically generate all necessary transaction documents. For businesses that sell goods and manage their warehouses, inventory, and supply chain management are crucial. Planning demand is essential to avoid situations when the company runs out of goods or has an overfilled warehouse when sales are low. ERP helps to purchase goods and materials for production, choosing suppliers with the best price offer. Businesses manufacturing products also benefit a lot using ERP systems. ERP automates such processes as production management, planning, dispatching, streamlines working with subcontractors, and more. ERP systems are used to provide compliance with local regulations, IFRS, automatically apply VAT withholdings, and more. ERP systems tie together a multitude of business processes and enable the flow of data between them. By collecting data from multiple sources in one place, ERP systems ensure data integrity and maintain a single source of truth. In conclusion, ERP systems provide full transparency across all business processes and serve as a unified control center for your entire business. Discover cutting-edge ERP solutions for businesses of all sizes and industries, and explore real success stories of their implementation on OneCI.com.